Immerse in the world of arnica, a potent herb known scientifically as Arnica montana. Hailing from the sunflower family, this mountain dweller has been a staple in folk medicine for centuries, revered for its anti-inflammatory properties. From soothing sprains to healing bruises, arnica's medicinal prowess is backed by numerous scientific studies, but remember, its power comes with precautions. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any herbal regimen. In the kitchen, arnica is more of a spectator. It's not typically used in culinary applications due to its strong potency, but its vibrant yellow flowers can add a splash of color to your garden. Growing arnica is a rewarding endeavor. It thrives in well-drained soil with full sun to partial shade. With a little care, you can cultivate this medicinal marvel right at home. Got experiences with arnica to share? We love hearing your botanical stories. For more herbal insights, subscribe and stay tuned. Dive deeper into the world of herbs with us.